successful, no? And as a result of that, the trust approval ratings of the former president were sky high. So when we supported him because nga we thought, no, now's his chance to redeem the family name, di ba?
True.
That he will serve the Filipino people and prove us wrong. Yung pala, what's coming out is that the power was taken out of them, and it was so painful to them that they had to go back to Malacanang. They had to go back to that power, and the lesson that they're learning, that they've learned, is that we will never let go of this power ever again, whatever it takes, because as soon as he sat in office, no, his cousin, of course that's him, his cousin and his wife, talagang inaareglo yung term extension agad-agad without serving the Filipino people. No?
That's what he called, yung pag ibabato sa akin kung revengeful, sila yun po. Thinkers are doers. Diba? Parang how you think about other people is how you act. Diba? Parang tell me who your friends are and I'll tell you who you are. It's very, yan. Diba? Ganun yun
basic,
Parang very, very basic po na mathematics yan. So, sa akin lang, parang tama ho yun, yung parang bakit mo biglang uunahin gumawa ng batas na pahabain or halos yung termino ng pag-upo mo rather than focus on what's more important, which is poverty. Ang daming naghihirap sa bansa na dapat yung i-prioritize mo if your intention is to like talaga pong iangat ang pangalan or apelido na nasira for how many years. Sabi ko nga po, sana po ang presidente, alam niya sa heart niya, magkaroon siya ng discernment and alam mo yon ng wisdom na galing sa Panginoon na i-save niya yung pangalan nila, umalis siya or like, tama na po, kasi ginagamit siya Alam niyo po
Question, Kathy. Okay. I'm sad for him.
Yeah.
When I saw the cocaine video, I saw a very broken man.
Yeah.
So my question to you, is there not anybody in this man's life who loves him enough to say, step down, okay? Step down and get some help?
Alam niyo po, I think may magsasabi. Kaso lang mas, again, kapag napapaligiran ka ng, meron silang term yan cordon sanitaire.
Yes.
That's what they call. I always hear it from them. Even when yung kabago-bago ko lang sa relasyon namin ni Tony Boy that time, I heard like, some of the guys will tell, huwag niyo kakausapin yan, walang kwenta yan. Ganun agad.
Elitista talaga.
Yeah, kasi alam niyo, kasi I don't do drugs. Hindi ako alcoholic po. So parang, they don't like that. Tapos hindi ako mag-gimmick, hindi ako mababar It's not my thing. I'm a mom. So parang paano ko gagawin yun? Di ba? Parang hindi normal naman for a mother.
Kathy, also pala, no, and attorney, no, mga kababayan, around the vast majority of cocaine addicts are also alcoholics.
Yes.
No? And the only difference about alcoholism is that it's legal. Diba? It's a legal drug. But it's very toxic. Lalo na when you put those two together, it's a deadly mix. No? So, what we've been seeing, no, for instance, the first lady, no, tinutungga niya, halatang halata. No? So, I'm so sad for my country. I'm so sad for my country because ganito ba yon? Is this what we deserve? Diba? And we hear all sorts of things, no, na the first lady beats up the president in front of everybody, no? And she screams at him and I'm saying, but he's the president. I mean, have some respect for that office kasi when we were there, ganun kami, no? Ganun talaga kami yung may respeto talaga for the office. And also of course for the man, and nobody could ever lay a finger on the president.
That's true.
So this is parang they're besmirching all these institutions, no?
Well, apparently kasi 'di ba yung cocaine kasi 30 minutes lang daw yung effect niyan, 30 minutes
And then load na naman.
And they're doing it kasi they love to drink a lot. Like literally a lot because they love to party hanggang umaga nga
Really?
Yun to the point na yung parang when I was new, I was wondering how can they last this long? Parang ako lang yung natutulog na ako sa table. Parang lahat sila gising. Naiiyak ako sa pagod.
What do they do?
They're drinking.
Do they talk to each other?
Yeah, they do. Sobrang, alam mo yung super hype na parang buhay na buhay. Parang,
because cocaine is an upper.
Yes.
It's a stimulant.
I don't understand that before. Diba? Parang hindi ko nagigets. Alam ko yung kuya ko, addict, pero alam ko na ganun. Pero hindi ko kasi, siyempre yung kuya ko yung nagdadrugs. Hindi ko naman nakikita na in front of me doing it eh.
Yeah.
Ngayon lang eh, yung naging kami, doon ko lang nakita eh. So,
Ano yung nakita mo?
yan nga, that they're taking it, they're doing it. So,
The president. You saw the president do it.
to be honest, like, I didn't see, but I saw them, like, grupo sila. Kasi
Yes.
whenever they're in one, like, kasi private yan sila.
Yes.
They just invite, like, in their house. Then doon nila gagawin yan. Tapos
So-
meron lang public na few people na kahit sa clubs, publicly ginagawa nila yan.
So even though you didn't see him, the people who were there did it.
Yeah.
I mean, there wasn't anybody there except you.
And I can see that they're doing it. It's just that, if you ask me na, harapan na kami ng presidente, hindi ko
Yeah.
nakita yun.
Yes,
But
yes.
I see them from afar. Yun yun.
Yes.
Di po ba? Yun.
Oh.
Kaso nakita mo din.
Nakita mo
din.
pero from
Nakita
afar.
mo din.
Pero
hindi ka
Nakapera
harapan
naman ako eh. Kasi I just want to be very specific. You know naman, I know how they work.
Yes.
You know, they can put words into your mouth. They can play everything. I've been with them for 10 years. Like, when I was seeing the Davao, like all this SWAT team and all the people without the template and ano
Yeah,
yun, yung
yeah.
walang plaka, that's
Yeah.
how they work. Guys,
That's
I'm
their-
telling you,
that's
that's their
their,
style.
yeah.
So I know it for a fact. That's why, di ba, what's that? May dapat